how to make and create notebook book cover on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is easy. Go to canva.com and log into your account. Now click on create a design and search for book cover. Click on the first option. It will take you to this page. Now go right here, scroll down until you find notebook cover. Click on see all and choose a template. For example, this one. It looks so professional and so simple, and you can edit the text from here like this. It looks so professional, and after you finish, go here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.